everybody, it's Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I want to tell you what the best property you can buy is as a first-time home buyer. And what it is a 4-family residential building. Now it's quite simple. One building with 4 apartments inside. And what this is 3 streams of income of rent for you to collect, as well as 1 unit for yourself to live in, rent and mortgage free. So it's a great win-win situation, and for 3.5% down, it could be yours. And one benefit that most people overlook is that you're still underneath the residential assessment. So your taxes and insurance will still be very reasonable considering you have a 4-unit building. And another piece of advice here is that you can leverage this property in the future as home prices rise. Take some equity out and use it to buy your next property. But if you bought a single family home, you'd probably be stuck there for a long time. So once again, this is Gregory Rice at Nexus Property Management's headquarters, your property managed.